Well, good morning, barbecue friends. Today, we're going to be making some breakfast. We're going to be cooking up a couple breakfast skillets. We're going to use the Masterbuilt Gravity series here. I got my griddle attachment in there. We're going to start off. Let's fire this up. All right, now that our hopper's lit here, I'm going to power this up. I'm going to set it to a temperature 400 degrees. We'll close our lid. Close the bottom door. Hear that fan come on. It's going to start warming up. Now I have two cast iron skillets. Here's our setup here. I got the griddle down below. We're going to set these pans right on top like that. And as we cook our ingredients, we'll add them to the pan. Okay, we got all of our ingredients here we're going to be using. Well, except for one, we got to go pick some fresh ingredients from the garden. We're going to start off. I got all these small potatoes here. I'm going to quarter these. Get them ready. I can hear behind me the fan almost shut right off, so I know my grill's up to temperature. Okay, I got the potatoes cut. Now we'll just give the griddle a bit of a wipe before we start cooking on it. Got a little bit of water here. Some paper towel. There we are. Now I have about 6 slices of bacon, and I have them. While that's cooking away, we'll get our pepper and onion ready. Now I thought of another thing. I got some leftover pulled pork. We're actually going to add this to the skillet as well. Give a bit of a rough chop to this onion. Something like that. And this red pepper. Cut this. I want everything to be kind of in bite-sized pieces. Bacon and flip. Oh, we got the bacon kind of finishing on that side. And keep everything well oiled with some avocado oil here. You're going to start the potatoes on this side. Get them warming up. Tell you, a beautiful morning today. Bit of a breeze. It's been real hot lately, and tell you, this morning's the first really cool morning. Very comfortable. Probably about 70, 75, something like that out. All right, we got our onions, our peppers ready. Get those potatoes out a little more. We'll close our lid on these, just let those cook away. Now, the beauty of being outdoors. Gonna go over to our herb garden here. I'm gonna pick some chives out of here. Probably like that much. This is what we're going to use to garnish everything after. Got these nifty scissors that makes this very easy. When you get close to the end, you got this comb that pushes everything out of the scissors. Just like that. Some fresh chives. All right, now what we're gonna do, check on this bacon. Maybe give them everything one more flip. Move these potatoes around. All right, now we'll give this griddle a little more temperature now that our bacon's almost done. Turn it up to like 450. Let that warm up. Close our lid, let that go. In between the steps, just take a moment and enjoy the day. Very nice. All right, now that our bacon's looking really good here, skillets up top, I'm gonna put our bacon there. We're just gonna evenly space it around the outside of the skillets. All right, just like that. Now, put the whole griddle here with these potatoes. Take advantage of that hot plate. Turn these around. See, they're starting to get a nice sear on them. Let them get in that bacon grease. All right, while we let these finish up on this side, let's get our onions and peppers going over here. So while everything's on here, just gonna give it some fresh pepper. Some fresh salt. Then we'll close the lid for a bit. Just let everything warm up again. Well, the sun's trying to come up, but it just started raining out. Just a light rain coming down. Like I say, just to take it all in. The smells coming off here is just starting to really get me hungry. They need a little more time. We're going to let them go a little longer. Give them a couple more minutes on there. Yeah, I'll check this again. Look at the beautiful browning on some of these potatoes. I could feel they're getting pretty soft now. So what we're gonna do, also move these, flip these peppers around as well. As far as the potatoes, what you're doing, you're just cooking them till they start to get a little soft. Every once in a while you can take a bite, season them with the salt and pepper as you go, just to get it to your liking. Now I'll start adding those potatoes up to our skillets. I'm going to throw this pulled pork down. We're going to give this a quick fry here on the top. Keep that pulled pork nice and flat. Take half of that, separate it. The other half here. All right. Now we're going to put our pulled pork right on top of that skillet. One on the other. Now we'll take our peppers and onions, divide that in 2 piles. Sprinkle that over top. All right. Look at that. Like I say, want a nice oiled skillet, so I'm just going to spray some more avocado oil there. What I like to do is crack my eggs, put them in the bowl here first, then we're going to dump the bowl on the skillet. That way if I break any eggshells, I can take it out before it goes on the heat. All right, now we'll take our 3 eggs. Slowly dump those on there. I'm going to take a little bit of water, pour that on there, and take our dome. Trap that water underneath there. Our next 3 eggs. All right, see what these look like. Those are looking pretty good. I just got that one just to finish a little bit more. All right, we're gonna transfer these eggs up to one of the skillets. Whoop. Now do our second set of eggs here. A bit of water. right. Let's move these a little bit. Ah, let that one finish a little more. Now put some salt and pepper on here to taste. And of course, we can't forget those fresh chives we got from the garden just to finish it off. All right, here we have it, breakfast skillet. We just took our time this morning. My wife and I got a nice day where we can just enjoy a breakfast like this. So we're outside just enjoying our morning. But again, let's get to the taste test here. Now, start off with a bite of those potatoes. The crispy bits you get from the griddle just adds so much flavor. When you're doing this, you just take your time, make sure everything's just cooked nicely. You do everything in stages. It's the beauty of this. Wow, it's delicious. If you do your eggs right, you poke into that yolk. Everything just drips down all that goodness into the bottom layers. Of course, a little bit of pulled pork, potato, a little bit of egg. Just fantastic. But if you wanted to up this a little bit, add some hot sauce. I've been loving this hot sauce made locally to me, Metal Roar. We're just going to sprinkle that around. I should note that the fresh herbs really adds a nice note to this as well. Well, we can't forget the crispy bacon here on the sides. Just fantastic. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, appreciate that thumbs up. But I encourage all of you, get in your backyard, cook yourself up a nice breakfast, find your place, and we'll see you on the next one.